Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to LG Q70. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. From here, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive at the bottom next to Send on LG. Also, on LG smartphone, click on the best option for you in this pop-up. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window. Now you need to go back to your Motorola and tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. Then click on Send next to Selected. Sorry, misclick. You can also click on Only couple of files. I will go with this one. Choose Send as well and click on Got it in the pop-up. Now pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to input key on LG. Then, in order to use it, select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead by choosing Input Key section and typing in all of those numbers. You have a lot of time to do it. Finally, click on Receive button. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!